Welcome back to the Black Sheep channel. I am Black Sheep, your host. I am the original Black Sheep. On this channel we talk about survival prepping gear and items and things, and we talk about guns a lot on this channel, and we do some gun reviews on this channel, and that's what we're going to do today. Today we're going to do a gun review on another Taurus pistol, the Taurus PT 709 Slim. Okay, just for YouTube's sake, safety is done. We are empty. See, empty and clear. Empty 7-round magazine. Let's start with the magazine. This is a single stacker. So this is a 7-round thin single stack magazine. If you've heard that term, if you're one of those new gun owners out there, single stack means in this magazine, when we load the bullets in here, they're going to stack one on top of another in a nice, neat row up and down. That's what a single stack magazine is. There's double stack magazines where they kind of stagger the bullets and they kind of go down in 2 rows. That's called a double stack. You'll get more bullets in that one. So this one is a single stack, 7-round capacity. So 7 rounds in the magazine and then 1 in the chamber, of course, giving you an 8-round capacity. The advantage of a single stack is the slim. I don't know if you guys can see on camera how slim that grip is. The slide is under 1 inch thick on this one. The dimensions on this gun are very similar to some other guns on the market right now. This Taurus PT 709 was not a new gun on the market, if some of you should know. This gun was introduced in 2008, so it's been around for a long time. I think it was just discontinued in 2017, so it wasn't discontinued that long ago. If you watch the channel a lot, you know I'm a little cheapskate, and I like to buy guns used if I can. And that's where I picked up this baby. A lot of claim to fame of this pistol. You can watch a lot of reviews on other channels, and the first thing I talk about is the price point being excellent on this. The MSRP of this model, the blued model, was $320, I think, MSRP. A lot of times they were selling for $260 retail when they were first introduced. Like I said, I bought this one pre-owned, used, although it doesn't look like it's been fired much at all, for less than $200. I bought this for about $150 used. By the time you get down to $150 price point, I don't know how you can get a quality handgun for that kind of price. So how could you pass it up? Let me go over a few of the features and what makes this a buy that I couldn't pass up. Single stack magazine I mentioned already, so it's perfect for carry. It basically takes down a lot like a Glock. You got a takedown lever right there. It'll take down just like the Glock family of pistols do. It does have an external safety over here on this side, a slide mounted safety. Up is safe, down is fire. I don't have any issues with this one. My thumb seems to work just fine finding the safety, and this safety seems to be moving just fine. I've seen some reviews saying this, they came out of the box stiff in some cases. Not bad at all, not bad at all. We've got 3-dot sights, which are my favorite kind of sights, and also the rear sights on these things are adjustable. For a pocket carry pistol at this price point, to get rear adjustable sights both in elevation and in windage, that ain't a bad feature. Also, another important feature, a big selling point for this for Taurus, was the second strike capability. You got your safety in the trigger here, like a Glock trigger, and you see I pull it back. It's got kind of a long, creepy trigger pull, so not a wonderful trigger pull. But once you get back here to the back where it breaks pretty cleanly. But it does have that second strike capability. Very important in a lot of pistols. And again, another feature that's normally found on more expensive pistols. It does have a little chamber loaded indicator up here. If I had a round in the chamber, there would be a little bar popped up there that you could see and feel. Another great feature. A feature I'm not so fond of, but one on every single Taurus pistol that I'm aware of, there's a little key can be put in here, turned, and render this thing a paperweight, just with a turn of the key. Taurus features that on almost all of their pistols. And I'm not real fond of that feature because I don't need to really worry about access with these things. I've got a gun safe. But if you didn't have a gun safe, I work part-time. If you follow the channel, I work part-time at a gun store now. And I've been selling a lot of guns to people that are new firearms owners. And even some firearms owners that are buying their second, third firearm, they haven't got a gun safe yet. And access to that gun is very important. So hats off to Taurus for giving you a way to render this safe without a big clunky stupid trigger guard or triggered lock that nobody likes anyway. So hats off to Taurus and their innovation in that. Again, dimensions on this thing real similar to the Glock 43X. I think this is ½ an ounce heavier than a Glock 43. Okay, So Glock seems to be what everybody's measuring their polymer standard or polymer pistols to, and the lower is a polymer and upper is a steel pistol. It's also available in a stainless model. The stainless model up here would have MSRP, I think they were about $500, $520 for the stainless model. But anyway, this is my Taurus PT709 Slim. I'll show you that trigger again, just so you can see it, see the reset and all that on it. So you got kind of a long, creepy creep, and then you get to a wall back here that you feel way in the back, and it's a crisp break from that point, and then we'll show you the reset. Right there. So it's a real quick reset, okay? So the trigger is not horrendous, okay? It's a little creepy, and there's in the middle of the creep, you're gonna feel that double strike capability has that, you can feel it cocking. You can feel it back there right before you get to the wall and you get the break. But again, this is a $200 pistol. I'm not expecting a match grade trigger. It's a decent trigger for what it is. It's decent sights for what it is. And from what I've seen on the reviews, I watched a bunch of Nothing Fancy. Pretty accurate. This is a pretty accurate pistol for a pocket pistol. Watch Hickok 45 when he does his review on this one. He takes the gong out with a pocket pistol. So, like I said, for under $200, can't pass it up. Keep an eye on your used gun shelf in your local gun store for these things. Under $200, how can you go wrong? It's going to back up my regular carry piece, of course, my Taurus G2C that I have on the side right now. And what else can I say about it? I bought an extra magazine. That's the other gripe I hear about other channels. It only comes with one magazine. Well, at a $200 price point, are you really expecting to get back straps and extra mags like you would on a $600 Glock? I think that's a little unrealistic. I picked up an extra mag for $27, I think. So I got 2 mags for it now, which for this pocket pistol is probably perfect. We'll take it to the range soon, and we'll do an updated review on it when I do that. Until then, I appreciate you guys watching the Black Sheep channel. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do that now. Hit subscribe, share, like. Give me a thumbs up if you like me, thumbs down if you don't. I want to hear about it if you don't. Put it in the comment section. I read all the comments, and I try and get new videos out here at least once a week, 4 videos a month. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Black Sheep channel.